In today's image-conscious world, the demand for whiter teeth is on the rise. Whether it's for a confidence boost, special event, or just everyday appeal, teeth whitening kits have become a go-to solution. This guide evaluates the best teeth whitening kits based on effectiveness, sensitivity level, ingredients, ease of use, and value for money, so you can choose the right product to transform your smile from dull to dazzling. List number: Auraglow Teeth Whitening Kit, LED Accelerator Light and 35% Carbamide Peroxide Gel. The Auraglow Teeth Whitening Kit is a powerful at-home solution that rivals professional treatments. It includes a hands-free LED accelerator light and 2 syringes of 35% Carbamide Peroxide Whitening Gel, enough for 20+ treatments. The LED light speeds up the whitening process, delivering visible results in as little as 1 week. Its mouth tray fits comfortably and ensures even coverage, while the gel formula is effective on both surface stains and deeper discoloration from coffee, wine, or smoking. Although it's powerful, users with extremely sensitive teeth may want to use it cautiously or less frequently. Still, the kit provides great value and convenience, especially for those who want dentist-quality results without leaving home. It's FDA registered and designed with safety and results in mind. List number: mysmile Teeth Whitening Kit with LED Light, 10-minute fast whitener. The mysmile Teeth Whitening Kit is perfect for users looking for speed and sensitivity-friendly whitening. This kit offers 3 pre-filled syringes of 35% Carbamide Peroxide Gel, an ergonomic mouth tray, and a blue LED light that accelerates the whitening process in just 10 minutes per session. It's specifically designed to be non-irritating, making it an excellent option for those prone to sensitivity. Results are noticeable after 2 to 3 uses, and with consistent application, users report teeth appearing up to 8 shades whiter. The kit is also vegan, cruelty-free, and safe for enamel, adding peace of mind for conscious consumers. Plus, it comes with a handy shade guide to track progress. Compact, effective, and wallet-friendly, mysmile is a smart pick for quick, gentle whitening at home. List number: Crest 3D Whitestrips Vivid Plus 12 Whitening Strip Treatments. A household name in dental care, Crest 3D Whitestrips Vivid Plus delivers consistent, reliable results at a budget-friendly price. Each kit includes 10 main treatments and 2 bonus sets, each with upper and lower strips. These strips adhere tightly to teeth, allowing users to go about their daily routine while whitening. The enamel-safe formula visibly whitens teeth within 10 days and removes up to 10 years of stains when used as directed. The Vivid Plus variety includes added brightening power for deeper stain removal. While not the fastest method, the simplicity and portability of these strips make them a popular choice for travel or touch-ups. Users with sensitivity may feel mild discomfort, but it typically subsides after use. As a trusted over-the-counter solution, Crest continues to set the standard for effective strip-based whitening. List number: viebeauti Teeth Whitening Kit for sensitive teeth with LED light. The viebeauti Teeth Whitening Kit is an excellent option for users with sensitive teeth who still want strong whitening power. It includes a hands-free LED accelerator light and a gel infused with 35% Carbamide Peroxide, formulated to minimize irritation. The kit also includes a soft mouth tray that fits comfortably and ensures consistent gel distribution. With regular use, users often see significant whitening in as little as a week. What sets viebeauti apart is its dual emphasis on sensitivity control and effectiveness. The gel works on deep stains from years of coffee, wine, or smoking, while being gentle on enamel. The included LED light also features a built-in timer, making treatments easy and hassle-free. viebeauti is ideal for those who want to maintain their whitening routine without triggering tooth or gum pain. List number: Lumineux Teeth Whitening Strips, peroxide-free and enamel-safe. If you're looking for a natural and sensitivity-free whitening solution, the Lumineux Teeth Whitening Strips are a game-changer. Unlike most whitening products, these strips are peroxide-free, relying instead on essential oils and naturally derived ingredients to brighten teeth without damaging enamel. Each box includes 9 treatments, and while the results are more gradual compared to peroxide-based products, users appreciate the pain-free experience. Lumineux is certified non-toxic, microbiome-safe, and made by a dentist-founded company focused on oral health. These strips are also ideal for maintenance after more intense whitening treatments, or as a gentle introduction for those new to whitening. If you're concerned about sensitivity or prefer clean ingredients, Lumineux offers a thoughtful, effective alternative.